Welcome back to Doors and Floors blog, where we talk about DIYs, daily adventures, and life abroad here in Peru. Today, we're making a quick and easy project. Fingers crossed, it's already after 3 p.m., so, hopefully we start and finish on the same day. We'll see. I already got fabric cut out, so that's a good start. The goal is to use up some scrap fabric. I really need to bust some of this stuff out. We got too much. We've got too much scrap fabric sitting around. So I have created a plan for how to create like a covering for my sewing machine. It's very dusty here in Peru, at least where I live. So we definitely need something to keep the dust off the sewing machine. I took my sewing machine, I measured it width-wise and height-wise, and going over, my thought is, because there's a handle in the middle and I want the handle to be able to pop up, I've decided to make basically like you would for a t-shirt. I'm going to make a facing around the quote-unquote neckline. That's my thought. Two things to be conscious of. Make sure you add seam allowance. I went ahead and added an additional inch or 3 centimeters onto every single measurement that I took. So keep that in mind. The measurements on my picture that I will pop in are only what I measured. And then the measurement that I cut out was that plus an inch. Second thing, if you're going to play with scrap fabrics, you don't have to do scrap fabrics. I just need to clean some stuff out. That's me. That's me. I don't know if that's you, but that's me. If you're going to, I usually recommend making sure everything matches. So I have a big piece that is one color, and I have matched the exact same color on the back side for the sewing machine. And then I have the part that goes in the middle where the handle is going to go for the sewing machine. I have made it all the same color as well. So that's my plan. And then let's get sewing. Fingers crossed that this is an easy project, and hopefully we will be done with it today. That's the goal. That's the goal. Okay, let's get sewing. Oh, I forgot to say that I'm going to be quilting the whole thing. I have all my pieces cut out, but I'm also going to cut out a piece of batting, and then I'm going to pin this to it, and I'm going to basically quilt it, and then I will trim the batting around it, and then we will assemble. Let's get sewing. Again, I said that already. I know. Bye. Okay, I was naive with my sewing hopes and dreams. We all saw it coming, even me. I tried to deny it. We're not gonna finish the project today. It's almost 10 o'clock. But I just finished quilting all my pieces. I've got all the quilted pieces here. I got the ties finished. This is quilted. And then I have all the pieces for the lining. I think I'm gonna go pin the rest of my lining, and then it's bedtime. So this will be tomorrow's project instead. That's the reality of sewing. Things are never as they appear to be. They never are as quick and easy as you think they're gonna be. Oh well. Anyways, off to work. Good morning. We've made some great progress. We've got our outer shell and we've got our lining. Now we just got to put them together. Also, if you're wondering why there's red now instead of just purple and this pretty green blue, that would be because we ran out of fabric. So go us for using up scrap fabric. Okay, let's do it. It's finished. So it took a day and a half. That's reasonable, right? Totally reasonable. That was fun. I kind of love it. I kind of do. I'm gonna show you on my sewing machine. Okay, one second. Let me set it up. Hold on.